So Sosh, disappointing result in the end. What are your initial thoughts on the game?
Yeah, disappointing result. You know, feels like a defeat at the moment, but at the end of the day, we haven't got defeated, and our run keeps going.
Yeah.
So we look on the positive.
Yeah, we started off the game really well, didn't we, as well? That's another positive to take from the game.
Yeah, 2-0 up. I think if we put our chances away with the game comfortably, but full credit to them. You know, going a man down, they've come back. Caused us problems with the set pieces, long throw. That was about it really, but no, full credit to them.
Yeah, and they did seem to raise the game a bit with 10 men, they had nothing to lose.
Yeah, they had nothing to lose, and they caught us really. You know, I think got caught in midfield, give the ball away for the second. Otherwise, if we put our chances away, we would have won the game comfortably.
And you've already mentioned, but it's still a point on the board, so you've got to look on the positive side of things still.
Yeah, it's a point on the board. You know, we're disappointed, but at the end of the day, our last 2 games we played, the team who was, you know, second in the table, and we took 4 points from 6. So look on the positives. You know, we haven't got beat, and our run keeps coming.
And looking at another positive, Aaron Edwards came in and made his first start today, and I thought he was excellent personally.
Yeah, I thought him and Elliot, you know, 2 17-year-olds, you know, Aaron's first debut today. I thought they were both magnificent. So it's looking good here. Like I say, we've got players coming back. There's a few playing tomorrow, so hopefully stronger again next week.
And Ollie and George also getting the goals to other academy talents there. So
yeah. Like I said, the academy is one of the best in Wales. You know, lads are knocking the door all the time to get in, and hopefully it continues.
And just finally, we've got a week now to regroup, and it's another chance, isn't it, to get back to winning ways?
Yeah, we'll train hard Tuesday. I'll look at how the lads are, and we've got Flag every away. Tough place, you know, they're fighting for their lives. We're hoping to go there and put a performance on and get 3 points.